Hi, ma'am and sir. Good day. My name is Sally Salas, 44 years old, a separated single mom with two kids, boy and girl, currently living in Philippines. I am undergraduate course Hotel, Restaurant and Services, year 2006. My working experience here in Philippines, I was a housekeeping and office support year 2019-2021. My main responsibility is to maintain cleanliness to the whole office and pantry and prepare food, snacks, tea and coffee for the staff and visitors meeting. Responsible keep office supplied and organized and paying rentals and other bills. Here 2011-2017, I was a domestic helper, an Indian family living in Robin Ranches. There are two adults and one child. My main responsibility is to taking care of the child, prepare breakfast for the child, send to school, and pick up from school, and sometimes bring playground to play. And I do ironing, laundry, marketing, and sometimes gardening, and once a week, car wash. Here 2007, 2008, I was a substitute teacher in nursery in Holy Trinity Kindergarten. My main responsibility is to teach children the basic skills like letter, number, color, and sharp, and also supervise children at all the time. Year 1997, 1999, I was a working student, a Japanese family. They are four, three adults and one child. My main responsibility is to take care of the child and clean the house, and I do laundry, marketing, and sometimes car wash and gardening. My skills is I love cooking. Before I have own small canteen inside the school. My customer is student and teachers. I'm the one cook a Filipino food. If you hire me, I'm glad. And I study your recipe and I follow the new recipe in YouTube and the ingredients book. And also, ma'am and sir, I have basic nursing skills that anytime I can apply. I hope you can choose me. I will assure you that I am honest, hardworking, and trustworthy. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir. God bless.